Imagine stepping into a new realm where the wisdom of Socrates meets the modern world, where understanding the depths of human cognition can unlock the secrets to thriving in every aspect of life. Today, my friends, we embark on a fascinating journey into the intricacies of the mind and how it shapes our perception of competence. I want you to pay close attention. The insights you'll gain today could change your approach to personal growth, success, and the way you navigate the waters of your own self-awareness. Let's dive right in, shall we? Have you ever encountered someone who brimmed with overconfidence, touting expertise they couldn't possibly possess? This phenomenon isn't just a product of arrogance. It's deeply rooted in a psychological principle known as the Dunning-Kruger effect. This concept reveals the intriguing case of MacArthur Wheeler, whose absurd belief that lemon juice could render him invisible to surveillance cameras led him to commit a daylight bank robbery without any disguise. This blunder wasn't just a comedic heist story. It was a telling example of our cognitive frailties. The Dunning-Kruger effect reflects a broader tapestry of cognitive biases that shape the very fabric of our understanding. These biases are not mere missteps in judgment but essential mental shortcuts that help us navigate a complex world quicker. They do, however, come at a cost, as they often warp reality to fit our subjective view. As we delve deeper, we'll explore how this cognitive distortion skews our self-assessment. It's a jarring truth that in fields as wide-ranging as humor, logic, and even grammar, a majority of us consider our abilities to be well above average. Yet, statistically, this is an impossibility. Our propensity to self-inflate is not a mere quirk but a fundamental aspect of human psychology. Curiously, this effect has profound implications beyond just personal delusion. From hunters to surgeons, overconfidence born from limited knowledge can have real-world consequences that are far from trivial. It's vital to recognize and confront this bias head-on. Discovering the Dunning-Kruger effect opens an array of questions about self-improvement and learning. Why is it that those with the least competence often resist feedback the most? How does one foster a culture of growth and lifelong learning if individuals cannot perceive their own limitations accurately? Therein lies the challenge. To grow, one must first recognize the need for improvement. The path to wisdom often begins with the admission of ignorance, a notion that feels contradictory to our instincts. Confronting the hard reality that we may not be as skilled as we believe requires humility, a characteristic that might just be the antidote to the Dunning-Kruger effect. In looking at this through the lens of personal development, it's evident that true expertise comes not from professed knowledge but from continuous learning and the honest appraisal of one's abilities. The truly wise acknowledge their own areas of ignorance, welcoming feedback and instruction with open arms. As we progress today, we'll dissect this cognitive bias further, examining its role in various domains like leadership, parenting, and even your financial acumen. Understanding the mechanisms behind this self-deception is the first step toward genuine self-improvement. Remember, it's one thing to aspire to greatness. It's another to genuinely pursue it through dedicated learning and personal growth. Moving forward, we shall discuss strategies for overcoming this bias. Embracing a mindset of ongoing learning, actively seeking out feedback, and recognizing the limits of our competence will serve as our guiding principles. So, are you ready to embark on this cognitive adventure? I urge you to stay tuned, as the pearls of wisdom we uncover today could be transformative. And as we move ahead with this exploration of the mind, consider how this newfound awareness can elevate your decision-making, your career, and your understanding of the world around you. If you find the insights shared today compelling, don't just keep them to yourself. Be sure to subscribe, hit like, and ring that notification bell to join a community of like-minded individuals on the path to self-awareness and mastery. Now, as we continue peeling back the layers of the Dunning-Kruger effect, I implore you to consider your own life. Where might you be overestimating your abilities, and how can embracing humility lead to greater success and fulfillment? Stay with me until the very end, and I guarantee you will leave with a renewed perspective, one that will empower you to seek truth, embrace learning, and grow with newfound awareness. Before we close, I want to pose a question to spark reflection and inspire action. What revelations from today's discussion will you apply to your life to enhance your journey toward self-mastery? For those of you who have found value in this exploration of the human psyche, if you feel moved, I welcome you to show your appreciation through a gesture of your choosing, with a link available in the description. Your support fuels this journey of enlightenment we share. Let's continue to strive for wisdom together. Welcome aboard, fellow navigators of the relentless seas of finance and entrepreneurship. I'm about to dive deep into the secrets that can transform a teetering business into a titan of industry. So, with razor-sharp focus, Let's unravel the power of creating systems that will not only liberate you from the daily grind but elevate your enterprise to new heights. Imagine stepping into your office, where the hum of productivity is music to your ears. The scent of ambition lingers in the air as each member of your team executes their role with precision. You, my friend, have engineered a well-oiled machine, a business that doesn't bind you with its demands but serves you, allowing the luxury of stepping away without fear of collapse. In the heart of a thriving metropolis, there's a graphic design studio that encapsulates this dream. The buzz of creativity never dulls, and designs that speak volumes are churned out with the reliability of a ticking clock. Here, the owner doesn't just craft captivating visual stories. He's built a robust system that runs with or without his presence. Now, let's delve into the art of crafting such a business machine. Firstly, it's vital to understand that your enterprise's bedrock is its ability to consistently churn out exceptional products or services. However, the pinnacle of success is when you fashion a system that ensures this quality without your incessant supervision. To create such a marvel, one must become a maestro of delegation, teaching others to bake the proverbial bread just as perfectly as you would. This entails language that communicates your vision and a system, a blueprint, that guides your team to replicate success ceaselessly. Embed the excellence of your process in an operations manual, the holy grail that converts personal expertise into a collective resource. It should be as thorough as a star map, steering the company even in the absence of its captain. Test this manual rigorously, refine it, until it's a tome that almost seems to hum with its own life force. And as you embark on this transition, remember that the people you bring aboard need not be seasoned sailors. What's paramount is their ability to embrace your vision and hunger to learn. Experience is useful, but it's the willingness to assimilate into your system that's the golden ticket. Gone are the days when businesses hinged entirely on the prowess of their stalwarts. In your realm, it's the strength and adaptability of the systems that make the company indomitable. An individual's absence doesn't trigger chaos, as each role, each responsibility, is distilled into a method that anyone can follow with the right guidance. Consider your business as a hit Broadway show, every line, movement, and scene meticulously scripted and rehearsed so that every performance seems like a spontaneous burst of genius. The actors, your employees, may come and go, but the show, your business, goes on because the script, your operations manual, is the true star. With systems like these, the business transforms into a stage where each player shines, improving their part in the collective symphony they create. Now, let's pause for a moment and rein in our ambitions with a dash of reality. Implementing this is not a mere flick of a wand. It's a journey, but one worth embarking on for the freedom and efficiency it grants. This process is not just about work, it's about building an enduring legacy. In this crusade, a guiding light is the wisdom of sages like Michael Gerber, whose teachings offer a path to business enlightenment. Taking cues from such visionaries can accelerate your quest towards a self-sustaining enterprise. Now, I implore you consider subscribing, like hitting the notification bell, for in doing so, you are not just supporting a channel, you're unlocking a trove of wisdom that could very well shape your destiny. As you plot your next move, remember, you are the architect of your business destiny. With systems as your bedrock and unwavering vision as your compass, chart a course to a horizon where your business thrives endlessly, a beacon of success in a sea of mediocrity. Thank you for joining me on this revelatory voyage. Should this knowledge serve you well and you wish to offer a token of appreciation, a gratuity link awaits in the description. Your support fuels this odyssey of empowerment. So go forth, apply what resonates, and let us meet again on the shores of triumph.